Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. Next, we are given the limit as n goes to infinity up to 3n, which I'll just write as n plus 2n. And in the denominator we have n to the power 2n, or n 2n times, and all of this is to the power of 1 by n. So we can basically just write this as limit n goes to infinity pi stands for the product of n plus 1 by n, right? So n plus k by n rather, where k goes from 1 to 2n, and this is to the power 1 by n, right? So we have n plus 1 by n into n plus 2 by n into n plus 3 by n. Ultimately the final term is n plus 2n by n. Let's say this is p. Now we can take the log of both sides. That will bring out this 1 by n as a product, and this product of pi will turn into a sum. So ln p is equal to 1 by n times sum of k is equal to 1 to n, 2n ln of 1 plus k by n, right? Now this is where it becomes interesting. Since n goes to infinity, 1 by n is very small, right? What we'll do is r by n, or k by n rather, we'll write it as a variable x, right? Now k has an infinite number of values from 1 to 2n, and a small change in k will simply be 1, right? But that will be a small change in x. So 1 by n, which will be a small change in k divided by n, can be written as dx, because 1 by n is itself a very small number. K by n is not necessarily a small number, because k could be 2n, then x would be 2. And then this sum will be replaced by an integral, because it's the sum of a function and a small change in x. So this can be written as integral of, now instead of k we'll write r, and that will go from 1 by n to 2n by n. 1 by n will be 0, 2n by n will be 2. ln of 1 plus r, 1 plus x dx. This is x, sorry. So this is the most important step. After that it's just basic integration. 1 by n is a very small change in k by n. So if k by n is x, this is ln 1 plus x, 1 by n can be dx, and since there are infinite terms, each of them has a value which is very small because of the dx. The sum of infinite terms, each of them which has an infinitesimal value, is basically an integration. That's the definition of integration. So this would be x goes from 0 to 2, 1 plus x dx. Now we know what the integral of this is. Integral of ln x is x ln x minus x. So this will be 1 plus x ln of 1 plus x minus of 1 plus x, going from 0 to 2, which will be the value at 2 will be 3 ln 3 minus 3 minus the value at 0, which will be, this will be 1 times ln of 1, which is 0, and this will be minus 1. So it comes out to be 3 ln 3 minus 2. This is ln p. Now we can get p from here. This can be written as ln p is equal to ln of 3 to the power 3, which is 27, minus 2, which is ln of e squared. So by e squared, which gives me p is equal to 27 by e squared, which means the answer is option 2. I think this was one of the more difficult questions in this paper, also quite lengthy. This completes the solutions. Thank you.